In pretty much every bullet journal spread that I make and in every bullet journal video that I post, I use some sort of stickers. So today I am very excited to be showing you how I make my stickers for my bullet journal without using any sticker paper or a Cricut machine. So yeah, I'm super excited to show you, and let's get going. Okay, so I'm going to start by showing you my sticker making design process. So this first method is just using some simple printer paper and markers, or you could also use pencil crayons or watercolor, or really whatever you want. So I'm just choosing my colors, and then I am just going ahead and making some designs on the printer paper. So I'm doing this cute little rainbow design with these different colors that I liked together. And pretty much you can do whatever design you like. You can get some inspo off of Pinterest or really whatever. So I'm adding these little clouds at the bottom and then writing smile over top of there. This next one I'm just doing this cute little leaf, but yeah, just get creative with this. You can make really cute little sets of stickers and stuff like that. And another way that I like to do it is also on my iPad on Procreate. So for this, I just chose a common color scheme, and I just kind of had fun making up all of these different sticker designs that I liked. And then once that was all done, I played around with the layout of it, and then you can just print it out and use that for your stickers. But this is totally optional. You can totally do this all on paper, which is a lot easier, and then you don't have to use an iPad or anything like that. So let's start with the first sticker method. For this, you're going to need some packing tape and also some wax paper, and then you will also need something to place your stickers on once they're finished. So I'm using this old sticker sheet, this like thick piece of plastic, but you can also use transparency. So now with all those designs that we made either on iPads or on paper, you can cut them all out. So I like to leave a little bit of a white space around it just to make it look nice and neat, but you can really play around with however you like these sticker designs. So here is just a look at some of the ones that I made. Next, you're going to want to take a piece of wax paper and then a piece of your packing tape, and you can just cut off a piece and place that onto the wax paper. You can also layer as many as you need to get the right surface area for your sticker designs. Next, I'm going to take one of my paper sticker designs and place that on the wax paper, and then with another piece of packing tape, I'm going to place that over, so it's kind of in a little sandwich between the two pieces of packing tape. So it's going to go wax paper, tape, sticker design, and tape on top. And to cut it out, you want to leave a little bit of a space around the sticker just so that the two pieces of packing tape can stick together, so that you have a sticky background but then also a laminated front of the sticker, kind of like this little diagram on the screen. So you're going to go ahead and do that to all of your stickers, and then you have this cute little thing, and all that's left to do is peel the wax paper off of the back. I like to do this right after I make the sticker so that the wax paper doesn't fuse to the packing tape, which has happened before, but it also might be the quality of the wax paper or the packing tape, so it really depends. But to play it safe, I like to take it off and stick it onto that piece of plastic that I showed before. And then this is also kind of cute because then you can collect all the stickers and make your own little sticker sets. So here are the completed stickers using this method. So I have this cute little set with like rainbows and sunshines on it, and this other one is more of a spacey type of theme. So let's say you want to make some clear stickers. You can also do that with this method. I'm using a piece of transparency for this and also some Sharpie markers. So the same thing goes over here. You're just going to doodle on the transparency. So I guess in this case it is kind of restricted to using only Sharpies on here, but you could definitely use colored Sharpies. That would work really well as well. I'm using this little skinny Sharpie, and then once that's done, I'm cutting that out with my scissor, leaving a little bit of an edge around it. And then the same thing over here goes. So you do your wax paper, then your first layer of packing tape, your sticker design, and then your tape on top, and then cut around so you leave a space of the tape around so it can stick to each other, and then you have a fully functioning sticker with an entire sticky side on the back and then the front side being laminated. And that's really nice for your bullet journal because you can just place it right on top. And also clear stickers are a lot more expensive in stores than paper white stickers, so this is a really good option. And then I'm just peeling off the wax paper and adding that to my little sticker sheet. Alright, so for this second sticker method, I'm using different leftover sticker sheets to make new stickers. So I like to use these random sticker sheets that I had lying around. I had these American Girl sheets from like many years ago that I found lying around, and that actually worked perfectly for making stickers. And then I also had this random return sticker label from Indigo, and also these other sticker sheets from my bullet journal that I received, and I decided that I'm just going to make some stickers out of them. So lots of them have lots of empty space in there that has the same sticker paper that the stickers are made out of, so it really works perfectly. All you have to do is draw on there and cut them out. Obviously you have to get a little creative with getting in your designs in the right spot, so often I just draw my designs directly onto the sticker paper, but you also could use your sticker designs that you created earlier and glue them on with a glue stick and then cut around there with the sticker paper on it as well, just so you have like the full sticker background. But I like this way a lot more. I think it's a lot less time consuming, and it's fun to use up stuff that would originally be thrown away. And I mean, I'm not really into using like Halloween American Girl stickers anymore, so I think this is a great way to repurpose this. So on this sticker sheet that was from my bullet journal, I'm doing this cute little fruit sticker set. If you saw my September bullet journal plan with me, I'm doing like a little fruit theme. So I did those in my month's colors and cut those out with a little edge around it, and then I'm also peeling them off right after and sticking them onto a little sticker sheet just so I have a cute little set of stickers. So this last sticker method isn't really a sticker, but it's more of a faux sticker type of technique that I've shown in other videos, but I'm going to show it again. So all I did for this was print out these designs that I drew on my iPad for my September bullet journal, and I printed the entire sheet out and covered the entire thing in packing tape, and then cut out each individual design. So I have these like stickerless stickers, so then when I do want to use them, I can just put some glue on them with a glue stick and stick them right into my bullet journal. I mean, it's not really a sticker, but I think it looks very similar once it's on, and it's really easy and a lot more inexpensive to purchase printer paper versus actual sticker paper. So if you guys are interested in these cute little designs, I'm actually selling a PNG sheet on my Etsy shop that I will link in the description box. So here are some fun ways that I'm using my stickers that I made. So I put this like leaf one, botanical one on the front of my bullet journal because it is still blank and it's almost September, which is crazy. And I also love using these stickers in my bullet journal. I use them almost every single month, and I just like to incorporate them with different pieces of washi tape, scrapbooking paper, photos that I print off from Pinterest, and markers and stuff like that. So here is a look at all of the sticker sheets that I created in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and you got some inspiration for your own sticker making adventures or whatever you do in your bullet journal. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!